Hi folks, how are you all doing? Hope you're all well. We are just out on a wee trip through Drimmen right now, and we're going to follow the old Drimmen road along and see what we can see. You can also take a left here and go to Balmaha, which is very popular on a sunny day. This way. That says on the single track road. And as you know, I do like these roads. I don't think this is a particularly long road. I don't have all day today to mount the bike, so this will do nicely. So, it's almost my bike's birthday. That's almost a year I've had it. I think I'm a couple of weeks short of 1 year ownership. What do I think of the bike? Love it, it's excellent. That looks slippy as. I've had no issues with the bike whatsoever. I bought it in, well, this time last year. I think it was August I bought it. I bought it new, and yeah, I've had no issues at all. This model is a Bmw F850Gs Adventure TE Rallye. So it comes with most of the bells and whistles. I also added a few extra as well, and I've had zero problems. Only thing I've actually customised, if you like, is this taller screen in front, which was £36 from AliExpress, and it's excellent. The one that comes with the Rallye version of the bike is quite short. It doesn't give you any protection over your shoulders, neck and head, whereas this is perfect. I also bought the emergency services bracket to move the sat nav, because on the 850 the sat nav's down here on the handlebars, which means you have to keep doing that to look at it, which is daft. So I bought the emergency services bracket from BMW, so I got robbed there. I think that's all I bought for it. Yeah. Flashing light ahead, a cyclist, yep. This road is also part of the national cycle route as well. I'm no doubt going to see a few cyclists. Now I know they don't make this bike anymore, it's the 900 they make now. However, if you're buying one of these second hand, would I recommend this bike? Absolutely. It really is a good bike. Maybe slightly heavier than other bikes in the same class, but as always, once you start moving, no, the bike doesn't weigh anything, does it? We are steaming up. Steaming up. I do like these wee roads. As I said before, you get to see parts of the country that you wouldn't normally see. Bumpy, bumpy. I've been trying different sat-nav software on my phone or on CarPlay. So this week it's the turn of Kalimoto, which I quite like. The last one was Scenic. So I plotted a wee route on the Kalimoto just to try it. Seems good. Scenic was good as well. There's a view for you. Campsie Hills away in the distance. I also put when you buy the Rallye, it has a very glossy screen. So I had an old iPad screen protector which I cut down and fitted to the Rallye badly, as you can probably see. But it's gave it a matte finish and it's took all the shine off it, and it hasn't affected the brightness of the screen, so that's really good. I think you can actually buy screen protectors for Rallye now, so I'll probably get a proper fitting one as well. Yeah, it does make a huge difference. I can't believe I've actually had the bike a year. It's flown in. I filled the bike up this morning, so the bike holds 23 litres, so that gave me 270 miles, which isn't too bad. I won't go into all the specs of the bike, there's a million YouTube videos covering that. Just giving you my opinion of the bike. Oh, a couple of things I did do to the bike. The seat. The bike comes with a Rallye seat, which is quite high, and John Die Hard McLean gave me a shot at one of his seats, which puts me down about an inch, and to be honest is a bit comfy as well. And the Peaky Biker, he gave me an aluminium back box for the bike, which of course when I got it, my keys wouldn't fit the one that was in it. So I took the locks up to BMW Motorrad in Glasgow and they adjusted them to fit my keys, and they done it free of charge. So that's excellent. Great service from them. I got my 600 mile service done there as well, and it was actually £5 cheaper than the Suzuki 600 mile service, which I wasn't expecting. There's a road there as well. The voice instructions on Kalimoto are better than Scenic. Much clearer, more realistic voice. What we got here? New burn. It amazes me how many of these single track roads there is. Normally you wouldn't know they're here, but when you actually search for them, they're actually everywhere. The road's getting a bit rough here. This looks like one of the green lanes you get down in England. So where I am just now, I'm actually not that far from Aberfoyle. This is the village of Gartmore that I'm coming up to. Pick a gear, Graham, pick a gear. Village is actually bigger than I thought it was. I thought this was single track as well. Obviously not. I'll have to try the Kalimoto round trip some point as well. Twisty road. There's a train carriage in there. Okay folks, hope you enjoyed the video today, and I will speak to you in the next one. Bye.